All right, people, it's the last day before your test tomorrow. I know I wore y'all out yesterday with the video, so this video is not going to be that long. We're not even going to do all the math. We're going to set up the problems, and I'm going to trust you to be able to put numbers into a calculator. Please make sure you watch the calculator video today after this video so that you know what to do tomorrow. So please watch the calculator video today. So when you get your calculators tomorrow, you'll know what to do. Okay, so Melissa, Kiana, Javion, Isabel, Izzy, sorry, I keep saying Isabel because it's Isabella, Izzy, Roberto, Jasmine, Jonathan, Chris Enos, Valeria, Kendall, AJ, Lewis, Breasia, Lady, Sanaya, Alicia, Heaven, Aurelius, Kian, Janine, Vanessa, Sarah, Andrea, Asia, Erica, Chris Tucker, JT, Asa, Joshua, Zaria, Jemiah, Samara, Cameron, Zaire, Dominic, Gary, Beatrice, Carla, Isabel, Malia, Kiera, Gary, KG, Mikhail, Sydney, Nikaya, Latasha, Antonius, Alex, Brandon, Adarius, Evan, Debaney, Addie, Jayla, and Kiera Thomas, aka KT. I miss you. All right, so let's get to this math. Okay, so here we go, y'all. So today's not gonna be that long. It's not gonna be that long. Just pay attention. This is gonna be on your test. Just pay attention. This math is not long. It's rigorous, sometimes tedious, but it's not hard. This is stuff we have to do. It says find the volume of the composite. Composite in this case mean two or more 3D shapes put together into one. Find the volume of the composite shape. Where do we begin? So let's make a plan. So this is clearly a what? A cylinder, and this is clearly a rectangular prism. So if I'm going to find the volume of the entire thing, what would be my plan? Think about it real quick. What would be my plan? What would be my plan? How do I find the total volume of this shape? I know somebody said it. I can hear Zaria. She said, take the volume of the cylinder and add, there's my little bully. Bye, bully. And see, this is what y'all need to do with some of your haters. See, sometimes you got to pause your life, and then you start it back up and you keep it moving. Let people get on your nerves. Take the volume of the cylinder, kick them out of class. Ain't that right, Asa? Take the volume of the cylinder and add to the volume of the rectangular prism. All right, so that's what we're going to do. We're going to take the volume of the cylinder and add it to the volume of the rectangular prism. So the volume of the cylinder, we've written this formula enough. I'm not going to write it this time because I don't want the video to be long, and I want y'all to get to your practice test because that's going to take some time. Just to let y'all know right now, you really have to think about that. And I'm making a side video for problems that people normally miss. The keys and everything is up. You know, just be honest and integral, and you'll be fine tomorrow on your test. The test is easier than the practice test, so I'm trying to really get y'all to think. And if you are troubled with that, then you'll be less troubled tomorrow, and you'll ask some questions, hopefully. I don't know. All right, the volume of the cylinder is going to be 3.14 times my radius, 5 squared, times my, it'd be great if I worked out these numbers beforehand. So instead of just pausing back and forth. And that's going to give me, I'm not going to keep pausing. Y'all just have to wait. That's going to give me 1,177.5 inches cubed. I said inches. I am. Oh my God. I can hear AJ now. And then, then find the volume of the rectangular prism, which is going to be at 6 length times width times height times 10 times 16. We have not gone over this, so I will say this is going to be volume of the prism. Rectangular prism is length times width times height, okay? And so that's going to be 60 times 16. It's going to be 960 inches cubed, and we just add them together. 960 plus 1177.5. And that's going to give us the total volume. Total is going to be 2137.5 inches cubed. All right, so that's that. Told you it's not gonna be long. So the next one, this is a rectangular prism. So, and this looks like a cylinder. Is it a sphere? No, it can't be a sphere because a sphere doesn't have a length or a height. So it's not a sphere, everybody. It's not a sphere. You see this length down here? It's the same thing here. So this right here will be 6. So it's not a sphere because spheres do not have heights. So they only have radius or radii. All right, so this is a cylinder, but it's a cylinder cut in half. So what I'm thinking, this is what I'm thinking, I'll say find the volume of the cylinder. Volume of the cylinder. And what I do? Divide it by 2, right? Because that's going to be the volume of what I see here. Find the volume of the rectangular prism, and then add them together. Sounds like a plan, people. Let's get it. Volume of the cylinder is going to be V is equal to pi r squared h. So I have V is equal to 3.14 times my radius. This right here is my radius times 5 squared. And then the height is what I just said right here times 6. And technically I can do all of this divided by 2 because that's what I'm going to do. So, you know, that's going to get iffy for some of y'all because I can see some of y'all taking the 6 and divided by 2. Nope, that's not what we're going to do. We're going to divide by 2 when it's done. We will not do that because some of y'all going to jack that up. Do not do that. 3.14 times 25, which is 5 squared, times 6 is 471. Divide 471 by 2. And we get that to be 235.5 inches cubed. That's the volume of the half cylinder. So now we have to find the volume of the rectangular prism. So it's going to be 10 times 6 times 8. 10 times 6 times 8 is 480. Man, I'm doing some good teaching. Man, I'm proud of me. You know, I work hard. Oh, God, go away for a whole week. And then I leave all this beautiful work for my wonderful kids. You see what I did there? Called y'all wonderful. Javion, you're wonderful. Oh, God, if I start calling names, people going to be like, why you ain't say me? Vanessa, you're wonderful. All my assistants, you know you're going to miss a week's pay, but you're still wonderful. You're still amazing. So it's going to be 715.5 inches cubed. All right, that's that. So the next problem is just like it. I'm not doing it because it's the same thing. I think y'all are intelligent enough to to do the same thing. And the next problem, I'm going to highlight it, but I'm not going to go over it because I said this video is going to be no more than 10 minutes long. And y'all are intelligent enough to do this. So let's map this out. This is a cube and this is a cylinder. So if I want to bring them together, we just find the volume of the cube and the cylinder. And what will we do? Add them together. Now I know y'all can do 4 cubed. And then find the volume of this, 3.14. Go, my bully's back. Bad image. Get out of my face. 3. Up. Y'all see the circles? Now we're fading. I'll be back. I just dismiss my haters like I do Brazier all the time. Bye-bye. So 3.14 times radius squared is 8 squared times the height, which is 5. This is the radius. This is the height times 5. So we have 4 cubed. 4 cubed is going to give us 64. So that's going to be 64 plus 3.14. I told them less than how much minute? Oh gosh, I lied. I didn't mean to lie, y'all. I really didn't. I really wanted to be less than 10 minutes. Add those together and we get 1,000 68.8 centimeters cubed. All right, so I did good today, y'all. You did good. All right, so it's been another Beast Mode Productions, and this is Mr. O'Neil. This is the last video. All right, these are your instructions. These are your instructions. I know somebody already turned me off. I'm sorry. Go to the practice test, do all the problems. I have created a video for the ones that are the hardest, and you can watch it, or if you can understand it from the key, then you're good to go, and then your test is tomorrow. Watch the video that explains how to put things into your calculators, and then you're good to go. Goodbye.